So we want to make a 90% confidence interval. We know that the sample size is 132, and out of them, there are 44 successes. We have to figure out what our p hat value is first. So I did that. P hat is equal to 44 divided by 132. You can see that up here. Right? I also need to know what my z-star score, or my z-star value is. For the 90% confidence interval, it's 1.645. You can just have that memorized. That would be okay. If you want more decimal places, which I don't think we need for this problem, you can type in equals inverse dot, or sorry, normal dot inverse 0.9501 into Excel. If you want to talk about why it's 0.95 and not 0.90, reply and I'll make another video for that. Anywho, we also have to figure out our standard error. So once we have our standard error is the square root of p hat times 1 minus p hat over the sample size. We can see that here. This is p hat times 1 minus p hat divided by the sample size. And that's all inside the square root. So that's my standard error. To figure out my lower bound, I type in my p hat, so I'll just do this, and I'll subtract my z-star score times my standard error. That's my lower bound for my probability of success. And my upper bound, I do the exact same thing. So maybe I'll just drag this down. And I'll change this to a plus. I'll actually have changed some of these numbers. So this was actually B8, and this is B7, and this is B10. And so that's my upper bound. And we can see these are both equidistant from p hat. Right? So it's about 0.07 above, this is about 0.07 below. So that's how you do homework 5, part 1, question 1. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.